Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and I just would like to remind everyone that there's only a few more days left for u/Drauken's pinning tray giveaway. You can find this giveaway on Reddit r/lockpicking. This is a pinning tray that was originally designed by Tumblr, and Drauken is starting to put these pinning trays into production. What he is doing is he's giving away one of his prototype trays. What we're doing on Reddit is there's going to be a contest where you can do a video submission, and you'll be able to enter the contest. The last entry is able to be submitted on 12/31 at 11:59 p.m. and then the following day the community is going to vote. If you'd like some more information on how to enter, or if you'd like to check out these trays more, I'll put some links in the description below so you can check them out. But what I have for you today, guys, is going to be one of my Locksport updates. This is a great video series that I started so I could share some of the updates throughout the week for anything that I'd like to share. And it's also a great place for the community to share any of the updates they have throughout the week. So if you'd like to share anything in next week's Locksport update, please leave them in the comments below. But without further ado, let's get started with this week's Locksport update. Alright, so I'd like to first start off this week's Locksport update by going over some of the smaller channels that have recently started. The first channel I'd like to mention is Bluegrass. This is a very small channel, and what I'd like to do now is roll one of the first clips of this channel so you can check them out. And I'm going to roll that for you right now.
Hi everybody, this is Bluegrass LockPicks. I want to welcome you to my second video. I'm in the process of setting everything up. As you can see, got the cardboard, got the homemade vise. Can't get that anywhere else. That's top notch right there.
When you're watching over this clip, you may notice the camera wasn't extremely stable. Since that introductory clip, Bluegrass Lockpicking has been able to stabilize the camera, and you're able to get a much better angle. I really enjoy the new angle. It reminds me a lot of Wizwazzle.
Hey everybody, it's Bluegrass LockPicks, Stock Lock Sunday. Want to thank everybody first off for all the comments yesterday on my first video.
And I think that is a pretty cool angle to check out. But if you'd like to check out any more of Bluegrass's videos, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. The next channel I'd like to mention goes by Keith. This is a very new channel, has very few videos, and what I'd like to do now is just roll a very quick clip of that channel so you can check them out.
Hello people. You guys ain't gonna believe what I just done. You see this Medico Protector 2? Hold on a minute. Medico Protector 2. Can y'all see that core right there? A Medico Protector 2. I just picked that open.
If you'd like to check out this channel further and see all the content, you'd like to get notified by any of their new videos, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out Keith's channel and you can consider subscribing. Another really small channel that just started out goes by Stary Locke. Stary Locke has been known to be commenting in the community, has been very involved in commenting in all the Locksport videos and having a really great presence. But recently Stary Locke has just started his first video and he's really starting his YouTube channel. So what I'd like to do now is just show you a quick clip of his first video so you can check him out.
Hello, this is Starrylock, making my first video. Attempted this several times, so I don't know if this will be the final release or not, but I decided to make it about an eBay purchase I got yesterday.
If you enjoyed this clip of Stary Locke, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. It is really cool to see all of these smaller channels starting out. It is really nice to be able to see the community growing as a whole. I really enjoy being able to help promote some of the smaller channels. The ultimate goal is to have the community always growing, have it spread in a positive light, and just really making this a fun community to be a part of and just watching it grow. talking about some of the growth, throughout the last week or so, a few channels have reached some pretty cool milestones. William Mancel has recently reached 300 subscribers, and he has done a 300 subscriber giveaway. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel, and you can consider entering his giveaway if you'd like the chance to win. Another channel that recently reached a new milestone is Lebel. He's a really cool channel that is always picking and sending challenge locks. He has been known to stump Bosnian Bill a couple times. He can make a really mean challenge lock. And he has just reached his 300 subscriber. And he has recently done a 300 subscriber giveaway. It has concluded. He has announced the winner. And I just want to congratulate Lebel on all his hard work and all his success. If you'd like to check out his channel, what I'd like to do is I'll put a link in the description below, and you'll be able to check him out and consider subscribing. If you want to see another cool channel, I recently sent some locks over to Jason Carlson. Jason Carlson is known to make some really cool lockpicks. He made this lockpick for me that I named Psychedelic. He makes some really cool challenge locks. And what I did recently is I exchanged some locks with him. I sent him some challenge locks for some various people, and I even sent him my one and only challenge lock called Screw Up. I'm really interested to see how he will do opening it up, and that will be really cool to see on video. And in return, he's also sent me a few challenge locks to try out. If you'd like to check out his channel, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link in the description below so you can check him out and consider subscribing. But either way, guys, this is all I have for you today. This has been this week's Locksport update. If you have any great updates that you'd like to share for next week, I highly recommend you leave them in the description below. I get a lot of my information for the next week's Locksport update through the video comments, and I really encourage you to share. I am always looking throughout the week and taking notes to find really great stuff to share for the next week, but I really highly recommend that you share in the comments below. But either way, guys, if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.